Barrister Liberous Oshoma and his wife are forced to work at home. Their city, Lagos, accounts for nearly 66% of all confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Nigeria. He doesn't think he's getting the right information about the pandemic.
I would rather take my destiny in my hand and do self-isolation and stay indoor than wait for a government who does not even have information to give to me.
For 2 days, Al Jazeera is unable to get comments from Nigerian government officials. In both Lagos and the capital Abuja, government offices have been largely deserted, but not the streets and markets. More than half the Nigerian population lives on less than $2 a day. Most have to go out every day to earn a living. And the most skeptical about the coronavirus pandemic are in this category of Nigerians.
If at all there's something like there's anything coronavirus, it's for the rich men, not for the poor man. So we are free men and we continue to live free. So that's their business.
Nothing shows me that the sickness is this country. You understand? Oh, I'm proud of myself. I can't wear hand glove. I can't cover my. I cannot be breathing well because I'm hearing rumors from outside country that it's not my country.
It's attitudes like this that health workers say is a bigger challenge than the lack of capacity to deal with the virus. There is also concern about what they see on the streets. 4 passengers are crammed into this small taxi cab. The buses also aren't any better.
With health systems in desperate conditions, experts say most African countries are not prepared to deal with this pandemic. Nigeria, for example, has only 5 molecular laboratories for 200 million people, although the government says it's building more.
The government has announced a series of measures to contain the spread of the virus. These include closing all air and land borders, providing more testing kits, and asking residents to stay at home. That has not allayed concerns and fears of a big jump in the number of infections and fatalities in the coming days and weeks. Ahmed Idris, Al Jazeera, Abuja.